Summing up the activities we have done till now, we made our assumption. The next step is to check the validity of projections made during the year. The objective is to monitor the progress in comparison to the projections. For this, we come to variance sheet. After closure of each month, the actual data of inflow and outflow will replace the projected figures. We will enter the actual figures of inflow and outflow for January 2021. We have split the screen in two parts. Right screen represents the projected cash flow, while left one shows the actual data inserted in first month, that is January 2021. You can see the recovery against sales was expected 364.11 Ks, whereas the sales team could only come up with rupees 350 Ks, whereas 50 Ks were earned against sales of scrap as against projected figure of 7.36 Ks. The associated company could arrange only 1000 Ks loan instead of rupees 4000 Ks due to their own business issues. Then we come to the outflows. Lockdown due to COVID-19 affected the international transit, and as a result, imported material was delayed for 1 month and due to be paid in February 2021. We will update the projections of February 2021 accordingly. Operating expenses was same as projected except for duties, which reduced due to delay in imports. The projection of February 2021 is updated accordingly. Hope you are following. The company had to purchase a server for IT department due to urgent requirement which was not given in projection. So now our closing balance is rupees 694 Ks as compared to projected revised 4118.81 Ks. Now we work out the variances. You can see the cash variance in blue column R. It is calculated by subtracting projected cash flow with revised cash flow, as you can see on screen, column of cash variance showing increase or decrease in actual as compared to projection. The variance will be calculated on accumulated basis, and after 12 months, annualized actual inflow outflow will be compared with annual projections. We see recovery against sales dropped by 14.11 Ks, whereas the recovery against sale of scrap increased by 42.64 Ks. The payments related to imports were deferred and added in February 2021 projections, while operating expenses remained same, so no change in variance is observed. Associated company could not provide the required loan decision time. Management applies for a loan from bank for rupees 3000 Ks. Loan of 3000 Ks is subsequently received in February 2021. As you can see on the screen, cell E14, and reflected in column E representing actual data of February 2021. The repayment is shown in outflow for subsequent months. Due to purchase of server, rupees 450 Ks were also used, and the deficit became rupees 321.47 Ks. A point to note is that we acquired a loan of rupees 3000 Ks in February 2021. Once we update the inflow and outflow, because we will be paying 150 Ks per month for next for periods. 1500 Ks will be repaid till December 2021 in 10 months. The result of variance analysis will change. And it is reduced to 1921.47 negative figure. Similarly, the subsequent months of projected figures will be replaced by actual, and the variance will help the management in managing funds for future needs. In the mid of a year, if we see the variances are too high, we may adjust the projections of a required period. So we see that since the management is aware of upcoming expected outflows, keeping in mind the limited availability of funds, decision making becomes easy.